Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. We're here at our project in Burke. You can take a look here at the outside. You can see we painted the shutters out here black. It's just really made this house pop a lot. Come inside, let's take a look at what's been going on. So we've done a lot of demo and we've gone through our whole permit and inspection process, so you'll see a lot going on today. We have all of our cabinets here waiting to be installed. We'll be installing those here in a few days. You can see as we pan around here, if you remember before, there was that wide open, there was a laundry room back here. Thanks guys for giving us a minute. There was a laundry room back here, so we've opened this up. We have a new beam through here. We had a load bearing wall here, so we needed to take care of that. But come take a look from this side and look how much more open this feels now as you walk through this family room into the kitchen. So really happy with how this new layout is going to work out in this home. And let's go downstairs. And you remember the basement is completely unfinished. Watch your step. So coming down here, you can see this is going to look quite different from last time. Got a lot of the drywall up in here, so you can see through here. We're going to have a full bath down here with the shower, so you can see all the work that's been done here. We're able to get the 5th bedroom in this house, so we have full egress and closet and everything. So adding some bedrooms to the home. And then one thing that we did is we've moved the laundry room now to down here in the basement. So we're gonna have a laundry room downstairs, so you can see that. And then we have this nice open area. So check in about another week or so, and this is the fun time of the project where you really see stuff really start to take shape. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a message and be happy to chat. Thanks.